Layoffs aren't just about job loss. These are financial, legal, and professional turning points that affect your career for years. If your employer decides to let you go, there are certain rights that you should know. Also, how to negotiate before layoff. We'll discuss how to spot early warning signs of layoff as know your rights. In India, the standard notice period for layoff is 1 to 3 months. So the organization has to give you either 1 to 3 months of salary or notice before laying you off. If your contract states otherwise, please check if it's legally compliant. Second, you're eligible for severance pay. Some companies offer severance pay, typically 15 days for every year of completion of service with the organization. If not offered, you can very well negotiate depending on your financial obligations or the years of service. Full and final settlement, you are eligible to get all the full and settlement documents, including your gratuity, PF, payslip, relieving letter, and everything. So make sure that you collect all these letters or formalities are completed one before you leave the organization or is completed within the time frame that has been defined in your contract. Remember, layoffs does not mean that you leave with an empty hand. You can negotiate on certain. Very first, obviously the better severance. If you think you have been offered less than the market standards, feel free to negotiate on. Second, insurance continuation. You can speak to your organization and ask them to continue with insurance. Third, positive exit formality. The organization cannot write an exit formalities. Nothing has been negative. So you can all very well ask the organization to make it positive and give you proper document. And fourth, check for ESOP. See all the ESOPs or any stocks that has been vested need any sort of mutual action. Smart employees don't wait for the layoffs to happen. They can predict all this even way before it is. Very first thing is check your company's financial health. See if there are hiring freezes, leadership exits, or other financial data. If you anticipate any sort of a loss or major drastic change, it's a warning sign for you. Second, be legally prepared. Make sure you're well versed with your contract, offer letter, and all the terms and conditions in the organization so that if anything goes wrong, you're well prepared with your rights. And keep your offer letters and all the letters handy. So in case of immediate disruption of your IDs or credentials, you actually have all that handy even before that is done. Be legally prepared. Make sure if there is any sort of unfairful layoff, you can actually quote all that and have certain corporate lawyers in your contacts in such cases when you anticipate a. Third, build a strong social network. Irrespective whatever scenario you are in, it's very important to have a personal brand and social network so that you can reach out to them in case of help. And last, make sure even when you're hired, you are negotiating on job security and the terms and conditions are very clearly defined in your offer letter. It can happen to anyone at any stage and with any year of experience. It's not with respect to just freshers or senior level, but you will be protected if you know your rights legally, financially, and also from the